So thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Now I'm going to take a very short interview to our special guest, Mr. Nazrul. Hey, what's up?
I'm fine, and you?
Fine. By the way, tell me your full name.
Well, my name is Nazrul Islam. My nickname is Nazrul. My family call me Nazrul,
Nice.
so you can call me Nazrul.
Thank you. So tell me, which one do you like most, Cox's Bazar or Patul?
Yeah, obviously I like to Cox's Bazar, and Patul is very beautiful place.
All right, thank you. So what's the specialty of Patul?
It's tricky question. Specialty Patul natural beauty.
Okay. Do you recommend others to visit Patul?
Yeah, I recommend visit Patul, and foreigner country is Patul is very beautiful, nice, and
Thank you. So what are the things that attract people to visit Patul?
Yeah, thank you, sir, for your question. Patul is a visit here, lot of very option, and there are few village and playground. That's it.
Thank you. So how many times have you visited here?
Yeah, five time visit here.
Why do you come here so often?
Sorry.
Why do you come here so often?
Patul come often my fresh mood and recommend fresh my mood.
Thank you. So do you have any suggestion to develop Patul?
Yeah, and Patul is government here and develop in hotel, motel and restaurant and secret.
All right. So thank you very much.
Thank you.
Goodbye.